This is the village house, as you can see. Try to renovate it. See that everything is okay. This is the back part of it. This is a tank for water reserving. Big tank. Yeah, we're going to put the solar on today and see. Fixing the glasses. This one is done already, and we've got the other one in the back. It's the farmhouse in the village. This one is also done. Look how nice this is. And I guess the back one should be done as well. Wow, look at this. Look at that. This one is also done. And that one. So it's just going to do the front door and the front window. All done. New glasses fitted. Solar is on there at the top. Water tanks. There's another one on the other side. That's how it looks. Awesome.